like little tools here. Sorry, mate. I can't see shit in this place. Huh? F***ing thing, you bastard. F***ing hate these f***ing cars. F***ing cars.
So why are you replacing the boot lining on this? And
It was all shot, it was all worn out, horrible, so Gordon got a new kit for it.
so it comes as a kit, you don't have to cut the
No, it all comes as a kit. They fit reasonably well. You know, some of this shit you get and it just don't fit, you know, but Aldridge Trimming are a pretty good company.
So you just tell them the make and model of the car and they...
Yeah, they're Jaguar specialists.
Oh, okay.
Well, they do everything, but they specialise in Jaguar trim.
So does it come with like an IKEA guide as to what goes where, or
Nah, it's just what it is.
you just work it out from there?
Well, I took all the old one out, so you know roughly where everything goes, you know.
And does it come with all the fixtures and fittings? Or
No.
No.
Which is why I rode around yesterday trying to find them. There should be a big hole in there somewhere. Let me just go and have a look in another one, Stu, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, there should be a hole there. Bugger.
If you weren't a mechanic, Ash, what would you be?
Porn star.
Porn star?
Oh, no idea.
Thing is, you answered that so quickly, there's an element of truth to that.
No. I wouldn't be a very well paid one, I know that. I used to want it, when I was a kid, I wanted to work on oil rigs. I don't know why.
What was the attraction?
Don't know. Really don't know. Now I think about the cold weather outside, it was a stupid idea.
Wish you could just work on one vehicle only,
Yeah.
rather than just chopping and changing between.
Yeah.
I guess that was what was nice about when you did the Buick, wasn't it?
Yeah, you just keep going at it, don't you?
One car, pretty much.
Pretty much, yeah.
These poppers, are they? Isn't it?
Yeah, one bit goes on the car. It's like a male part, and that's just a female bit that clips on top. So you just got that comes through the carpet. You just got to put that on top and just spread that lip over. So just do it with like a countersunk one first to spread it, and then hit it with the blunt one. Once it's spread, it'll just hold down. hopefully you put the holes in the right place. Let's give that a try.
Moment of truth.
Yeah. Let me just get a Tonkin with, because they're quite tight because they're new. Go with that, I think. Right, let's cut her under felt for that. You just want to go inside the line of the carpet by a bit. Otherwise you get all furry bits of underfelt shit sticking outside of the carpet, you know. Get the spare wheel, put that in and it's all done. Trouble is, originally these were probably cross plies.
What's that mean?
They're a lot narrower, so we
okay.
put wider tyres on it. So consequently, sometimes the covers don't fit very well.
How's it feel?
Horrible. The boot ain't even going to shut there.
So it's driving with rain. You got a puncture.
Oh yeah. All of that. Shut off the disco lights. Party!
Next week on the workshop.
I can't bear to see myself, don't.
No, I could just use your voice, Gord.
What do you want to know?
I just need to know a bit about the car.
Okay. This is a 1952 Austin Atlantic.
Oh, fuck.